This video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to your bank account. So if you want to transfer crypto assets from Robinhood to a bank account, then this video is for you. So make sure you watch this video until the end because then you will be able to do this. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to go over to Robinhood and then we need to click on send. So let's go ahead and do that and then select the crypto that you want to transfer to your bank account. So as you can see, I have Ethereum, so I'm going to click this. And then in here, I'm going to click on enter address. So let's go ahead and do that. And then in order to transfer this to our bank account, we need to enter a wallet address of a wallet that allows withdrawals to a bank account. Because Robinhood does not directly make you transfer crypto from them to the bank account. So we need to have a wallet in between to do this. And in this tutorial, we are going with OKX wallet because this is a really general wallet with a nice withdrawal function to a bank account. You can also use any other wallet with a withdraw to bank account option. So just go ahead and enter the wallet address from that wallet in here. And I'm going to obtain that in my OKX wallet now. So in OKX wallet, I'm going to click on deposit. And from there, I'm going to click on deposit crypto first because we need to have the crypto in this wallet. And after that, we can click on deposit cash just down below. But first, we're going to click on deposit crypto. And then we're going to select Ethereum as we're sending Ethereum in this tutorial. And then select the Ethereum network and make sure that the network is the same. So go ahead and select this. And then due to EU regulations, I need to fill in the sender. So I'm going to look if Robinhood is available. And that is the case. So go ahead and click on this. Then click on continue. And then you will see your wallet address in here. So go ahead and copy this to your clipboard. And now we can go back to our Robinhood app. And again, if you're doing this with another wallet, that's totally fine. Just do the same vibe and the same flow as me. Go ahead and click on deposit crypto in your other wallet. Make sure you have the wallet address and that you are on the network that is the same on your Robinhood. And after that, copy it to your clipboard and then go back to Robinhood. So paste the wallet address in here. So let's go ahead and click on paste, allow paste, and then we're going to click on continue. And once we do that, we're going to enter the amount that we want to transfer. So let's say we want to transfer $1 of crypto. Then we're going to click on review. And then to finalize, we need to click on submit down below. And once you do this, you will get your crypto in your other wallet. So go ahead and click on submit down below and then open your other wallet. Once you are in your other wallet and you see that your crypto has been arrived, then you're going to click on withdraw. So on OKX, I need to click on the dots at the top left. Then I'm going to click on withdraw. And now I'm not going to select withdraw crypto, but I'm going to select withdraw cash. So let's go ahead and click on this in here. And then we are going to select the best withdrawal method. And that is in my case, SEPA. So I'm just going to click on this. Then I'm going to click on add account. And then you can just go ahead and verify your bank account, or when you are on another wallet, fill in your bank account details. And once you do that, you will be able to send it to this bank account when you go through the process in here. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. Then I will see you in the next one.